Recreational vehicles are designed and built with a specific purpose in mind. The products you use in your RV should be the same. That is why Hot Shot Secret engineered our first line of products specifically for RVs. Hot Shot Secret's RV products are fully formulated, high-quality products created to solve specific RV-related problems while also improving performance, fuel economy, and overall reliability. Our RV line of products includes fuel treatments for gasoline and diesel-powered RVs, oil treatments, antifreeze, generator oils, and a slide-out lubricant. Hot Shot Secret's RV products are scientifically proven to increase fuel economy and power, clean the oil and fuel systems of varnish and deposits, and reduce wear and protection against corrosion. Be confident that your RV will perform as it should when using Hot Shot Secret RV products. Hot Shot Secret, powered by science.